Alright. Okay, I'm recording now. I've already talked to Andy. She's not going to drop anything. And Thad is not going to speak real loud like he did last time. I'm just kidding. He said sorry. Alright, so here we go. 3 through 6. Alright, so I'm going to do 4 problems on this one recording because once you watch the first 2, I spent a little more time on the first 2. It's all the same. Alright, you get the hang of it. So in this case, first thing I'm going to do is calculate the slope. So my slope is rise over run, so I'm going to rise up 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to run over 1, 2. And this should be a negative slope because you see how my line is going downward, so it's a negative 3 over 2. I cannot simplify that. I want to leave it as an improper fraction. Okay. Next one is B, my y-intercept. And so some people would look at this and be like, oh, Mr. Lewis, it doesn't ever cross the y-axis. See, here's my y-axis. Well, this little arrow on this line indicates that it just keeps going down in this direction for infinity. So what we can do is we can use our knowledge of the slope to figure out when it would cross the y-axis. In this case, my rise over run is 3 and 2. So I can go down 3 places, 1, 2, 3, and over 2, 1, 2. And you see I would actually hit the y-axis right there. So that is y equals negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So B, my y-intercept, is really negative 6. Alright, so now my equation is y equals negative 3 over 2, because that's my m, my slope, x minus 6. Number 4, my slope is 1, 2, 3, rise 3, run 1, 2. My y-intercept is going to be negative 1, 2, 3. Negative 3, because that's where it crosses the y-axis. And I want to point out this should be a positive 3 over 2 because you see my line is going upward. So it's positive 3 over 2. So now whenever I create my equation, it's y equals 3 over 2 x minus 3. Number 5. My slope is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over my run 1, 2, 3. And then my y-intercept is going to be 1, 2, 3, positive 3. So my equation is y equals 7 over 3 x plus 3. Last one. This is one that I wish I'd paid more attention whenever I was doing this one, and I wouldn't have used it. And you'll see why in just a second. I gave this one, and technically, if I do my y-intercept, when it comes down here, it's not really going to land perfectly on negative 6. It's not. So that's why I wish I didn't use this one, but I did. So this is what I allowed. I allowed for B to equal negative 6, even though it's not going to land perfectly on it. And if you feel comfortable with math, you could actually calculate where it perfectly lands, but it's not perfectly on 6. Anyway, let's just pretend it landed perfectly on 6, even though it doesn't. So here's my slope. My slope is rise 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over my run is 1, 2, 3. And so now my equation is going to be about roughly 7 over 3 x minus 6. I say about because the only thing that's not perfectly accurate is that negative 6. But if the kids were able to get to this point, I'm feeling pretty good about them. Okay? That's it.